Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are required to solve this inequality and represent the solution on a number line. Well, I see brackets, so going back to what we have learned previously. 5 times 2, 10x. 5 times 3, positive 15. I still got the bigger than sign down there. Do the same. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. I still have my negative 13. Next, I would then like to just simplify first. And I will have 4x. Negative 8 minus 13. This will give me negative 21. And then, you will then see what Mr. Tan do. What do you think Mr. Tan should minus off to make sure that one side don't have any more x? Yes, I need to minus 4x on both sides of the inequality sign. So that 4x minus 4x on this right hand side of the inequality will be equals to 0. I still have a plus 15 here. What do you think we should do to get rid of this 15? Yes, I'm going to minus 15 so that this one will be equals to 0. So I still have my negative 21 here. I just need to minus 15. And what's the outcome? 10x minus 4x, 6x, bigger than negative 21 minus 15, negative 36. And from here, then all we have to do is to divide by 6 on both sides because I would want my final answer to be equals to 1x is bigger than what number? In this case, negative 6. Because it is a positive 6, I do not change the inequality sign. Last part would then be to represent this on a number line, which I'm going to represent at the side here. Okay. Negative 6. Do make sure that the intervals is about 5 units, 5 to 6. And make sure that they are quite evenly spaced out. So this will be negative 6, negative 5, negative 4 here, negative 7, and negative 8. Bigger than is this symbol. I pull out my ruler again. So this will be x bigger than negative 6. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.